Hello and welcome. This is Krishna Soni and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. A record-breaking snowstorm lingering over the northern plains on Tuesday caused slippery roads leading to at least one traffic fatality and headaches for schools, but brought much-needed moisture to the region. The storm dropped 8.7 inches of snow on Sioux Falls on Monday. Michelle set a record with 7.2 inches along with Sioux City, Iowa with 6.6 inches. Several more inches of snow was expected in the region by Tuesday evening, though no more records were likely to fall. Overnight and Tuesday afternoon, 3 to 4 inches fell in the Fargo area. Winter weather warnings and advisories remained in place for much of the Dakota. Many South Dakota schools announced late starts or cancelled classes. Roads were reported in poor driving condition across both states. The State Transportation Department temporarily closed the intersection of State Highways 22 and 73. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Krishna Soni.